the debt I couldn't pay and nowhere left to hide. But you step out of glory, you traded crown for thorns to mend a soul that's shattered and a heart that's deeply torn. No mountain was too rugged, no valley was too wide to keep the King of Heaven from the sinner at his side. Oh, the love of Jesus, a river deep and wide, an ocean of forgiveness where my failures go to die. It's stronger than the grave, it's higher than the stars. The healing for my spirit is written in his scars. Unfailing, unchanging, reaching down for me. Oh, the love of Jesus is my only victory. You don't love me for my goodness, for I have none to show, but you love me in my weakness more than I could ever know. When the world begins to whisper that I am not enough, I am anchored in the power of your everlasting love. It's a shield around my trembling heart, a light within the gale, a promise signed in holy blood that will not ever fail. It's a love that leaves the 99 to find the one who strayed. It's a love that walked to Calvary and all my ransom paid. It's a love that burst the iron gates and rolled the stone away. And it's the love that's holding me until the break of day. Oh, the love of Jesus, a river deep and wide, an ocean of forgiveness where my failures go to die. It's stronger than the grave, it's higher than the stars. The healing for my spirit is written in his scars. Unfailing, unchanging, reaching down for me. Oh, the love of Jesus is my only victory. I am loved, I am found, I am standing on his holy ground. By your grace, by your blood, I am swallowed in the Father's love. Jesus, your love, it is enough.